So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how I clean my thrifted clothes. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting for it, so here it is. I'll be talking you guys through the steps that I take to make sure that my clothes are clean right after I buy them from the ukay-ukay. And before I get started, I should let you guys know that if you have suggestions on how I can better clean clothes, don't hesitate and leave them in the comment box down below. I would love to learn from you guys. So the first thing that I do once I get to my house and I plan to clean my thrifted items is that I empty out all the pockets, and this is common practice. Sometimes there might be coins in there, random buttons, and I just remove them just to get that out of the way. The second step is if I feel like the clothes kind of smell, I douse the clothes with baking soda inside and out. This is just to eliminate the odor, and I leave it on for a few hours. And after that, step 3, I get a really big basin and I fill it up with boiling water, and this is to help disinfect the clothes. There's a lot of bacteria in the clothes that we get at the local thrift stores and ukay-ukays, and I just want to get it all out. If the care tags do allow hot water, then I do that. Basically, I've been doing that for all my thrifted clothes and nothing bad has happened so far, so it's a method that I found works for me, and that's what I do. I also add antibacterial hand soap and baby shampoo. After the water's turned lukewarm, that's when I go with the scrubbing, and I let it rest for a few more minutes and I take it out. And this is the first step to just cleansing it entirely. Once I take it out, I do tend to check for stains and I treat the stains as needed. Afterwards, I go in for another wash, this time with the washing machine if the care tag permits. This is kind of like the double cleanse Korean skincare thing. And after that, I just hang them out to dry and voila, you're done. That's it. Although I would suggest if you do have items that need dry cleaning, just get it dry cleaned because they do have ways to completely eliminate the bacteria. That'd be a really good investment for you and it would save you the hassle of trying to manually clean. So for thrifted shoes, I like to wash them by wiping them with rubbing alcohol. Just do it on a small section and wait for a few minutes. If nothing happens, then you should be good. And I just wipe it thoroughly with alcohol. And after that, I go in with Lysol in the inner part of the shoe. It's a simple process, but I feel like it's a process that requires you to be absolutely thorough with the clothes that you're washing because you don't know where it's been, you don't know the last time it's been washed, and you just want to make sure that it's clean when it goes on your body and you wear it out. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thumbs up if you liked it, and please do leave a comment down below if you have any other tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.